You clicked this video for a reason. Deep down, you know lust is draining you. And if you stay with me for just a few minutes, I'll show you how to finally break free. Picture this. A man alone, late at night, his phone glowing in the dark. He clicks, he scrolls. For a few seconds he feels alive. But then, it hits him. Emptiness, guilt, weakness. Sound familiar? That's because lust is a trap. It gives you pleasure for a moment, then steals your energy, your confidence, your drive. And the more you fall into it, the weaker you feel. But here's the truth. You are not weak. You are not broken. You are human, and you've been wired into a cycle. But cycles can be broken. That energy inside you was never meant for endless scrolling or fantasies. It was meant to build your body, sharpen your mind, and create your future. The fight against lust isn't just about quitting. It is about becoming who you were meant to be. Every time you resist lust, you're training discipline. You're telling your brain, I control my urges. My urges don't control me. And that discipline? It doesn't stop here. It shows up when you wake up early, when you hit the gym, when you chase your dreams. The same self-control that defeats lust is the self-control that builds greatness. So how do you win this fight? 4 simple steps. Step 1. Avoid triggers. Don't walk into the fire and expect not to get burned. Block the sites, unfollow the accounts, change your environment. Step 2. Redirect your energy. When the urge hits, move your body, lift weights, take a cold shower, write, pray, meditate. Transform that energy into something that makes you stronger. Step 3. Accountability. Write it down, track your wins, tell someone you trust. Even if it's just a journal, breaking secrecy breaks the cycle. Step 4. Small wins. Stop worrying about forever. Win the next 24 hours, then win tomorrow. Stack those days, and you'll build unstoppable momentum. Every single time you resist, you grow stronger. Every single time you take control, you're proving to yourself that you are more powerful than your urges. This is not just about lust. This is about your future, your energy, your destiny. The strongest version of you is waiting, and he's begging you not to give up. So yes, it's hard. But every great change in life is hard. And the harder the battle, the greater the victory. This is your fight. This is your victory. Defeat lust, and take back the life that was always yours.